think we're going to get in the line and make a line.
Oh, didn't feel beautiful. Okay, film now.
That's intelligent, mate.
Okay,
Are we on now?
We're on there.
okay, let's have calling now. Take one. Hang on. Take action.
Get it out. I'm ready now.
Come on, we ain't.
Give me each now. Right.
Jeff, we've only got 6 hours.
All right. Right. Serious, man.
Ready?
Come on, yeah, it's somebody else. I told you was from good stock, Jan. Yeah, good. I'm going to be now. Come on, now, still safe.
Steve's a serious person.
Hello, Jan. Well, hello. Go on now. They couldn't do this, could they?
Yeah, come on.
Jan.
Naughty today.
I told you what it is, I'm the eldest brother, I'm going to set an example. Oh, come on, Mo. Red light.
Red light is on, take one.
You're not supposed to say that.
Hiya, Jan. We're doing this video for you because we're so pleased to have found you. I'm a bit drunk, I told my brothers. On the right, on the left.
Let's right.
Anyway, this one is my brother Jeffrey, isn't he handsome? So if you like your sister, okay?
I was going to say, so yeah. Hello, Jan, it's nice to
Okay, take two.
Take two.
Take two, come on. Okay, Jan, I'll have a touch up. I'll have a touch up, Mrs. Bouquet.
I'm going to do it all night.
Okay, we're serious now. I'm
Action.
Action.
Introduce me again.
Action again.
No, we'll be serious.
Can you be quiet in the background, else you'll go out?
You should have done this at 6:30.
Yeah, no.
I'll be fine. Sounds so much fun. Okay, I'm serious now. This is my acting debut.
Come on, man.
Hiya, John. I'm all right. He's my brother Jeffrey. He'd love to say a few words to you. How would you?
I called you. It's Joey here.
Anything. I told you anything, Stephen. Oh, I'm just standing there, mind my own business. Get the money.
So, do you Action.
Oh, John, we've had an absolutely fantastic night. It's been
Don't
brilliant.
finish yet.
Everybody. Can we get serious?
Let's just talk to John.
Oh, get on with it. We've been having a fantastic night. It's been brilliant. We've reminisced, we've cried, we've got... This is good.
No, let me pick up down there. It's my family, this is
Okay, let's be serious.
This is Joe.
No,
This is Jeff, he's the oldest brother. How old are you, Jeff? 61. 16. Corinne's 40. For myself, this is Steve, he's the baby. Apart from Jan, he's the baby.
And this is my sister, Jan.
Right, is that why you done that?
I know,
I did, I bought it.
Jan.
I perfect.
Kai bought to my picture. But I didn't. Anyway, we'll be serious now. But I have got a background of slobs behind me, all trying to make me laugh. It's only to... Nah, I'm trying to be serious
We
here.
should have done it, it's our fancy.
I'll send that.
We should have done it. We should have done it earlier, but we don't care now. Anyway, I hope you have some fun when you watch this, as we've had a lot of fun making it.
Anyway, don't finish yet. I've got a lot to do.
It's not finished yet, but I've come on early because I'm the star of the show. Anyway, I hope you have a great time. I'm sorry I'm mixing my words, but I have had a few. Well, I've had a lot. Anyway, I'll go off now. I don't want to off the limelight. I am so glad we have found you, it is lovely. I wish you could have been here with us tonight, but next time maybe you might be. Anyway.
Hello, John.
Hello, Jan.
It's been a long time.